Hi friends, Ben back again on another one. We are back at Dennis's garage tire shop. I will mention the address of the shop in the description. You guys can definitely go and check that out. This is what you've been waiting for. The hard compound TIMSUN TS820 being installed on the Himalayan rear wheel. So I'll talk about this tire in detail. I've already mentioned certain fantastic aspects of this tire, but this is for you guys to see how this goes on to the Royal Enfield's wheel. It's a 17-inch 130 section, 130/90 aspect ratio. That would mean that this has about 117 millimeters of sidewall, and that's quite good for off-road and on-road performance. Load bearing is fantastic. A very hard compound tire, so puncture proof as well. Now what you see Dennis doing is he's running broke the bead with the machine, put in a lever, a nice big lever, and there you go. The machine does the rest of the job nice and easy. If I were to do it by hand, it's going to take forever to get this part done. This part is the most difficult part, to break the bead and then get the tire off the sidewall. So yeah, now what you see with this tire is a rounder profile. So this will definitely aid in better cornering compared to the stock C8. The stock C8 kind of becomes flat in no time, whereas this tire will continue to hold a rounder profile is because it's 90% of 130. So it's slightly wider, and so you will have a nice curve like that, a curve happen. Fantastic for cornering and related activities. Balaji's rim has got a decent rim tape, no rusting, no nothing. Okay, so yep, now to put on this bad boy. Bad boys make the bike look bad. So that's how flimsy the stock C8 is. Direction பார்க்குறீங்களா? இல்லை, அப்போ மல்டி டைரக்ஷனில் கிடையாது, ஒரே மாதிரி பேட்டர்ன் தான், எப்படி வேணால் போடலாம். So that's a multi-directional tire. You can put it anywhere. It's not going to make a difference. And that's a bit of a lube that's being applied so that the tire slides in easily. Again, doing this sort of a job in the middle of the trail or in the middle of the road is very difficult. Fantastic. That part went in very, very easy. Now to throw in the tube. Same tube da. Puncture do illa. Okay. Okay. So we are using the same 120 section tube on this tire. I've used it for over almost 9,000 kilometers, and I've not had a single problem with it. No punctures as well. What comes as a bonus is no puncture. You've absolutely nothing coming your way. It's a done and dusted deal with this tire. Superb. There you go. Not a scratch, nothing. Tire went in like that. Easy peasy. Looks amazing, doesn't it? Looks like a true bad boy. Lovely, lovely, lovely tire. So wish I could have this on my bike. I'm gonna get a set of knobbies. I'm still looking for the right knobby. Nothing has come my way yet. Still waiting to get one. So that was it. Thank you, Dennis. Romba nandri. Na kadayoda details share pandren. So this is where I got the tire changed, JP Tires. This is on ECR near Kanatur. Okay, Balaji. So how does it feel with the new tire? Great. Good. Some difference that you can point out, very obvious difference. What would it be?
Gravel
better. Confidence. It will slide. Slide
confidence.
Okay, fantastic. Traction better basically. Rear heavy planted stable exactly. The rear will be a lot more planted with a tire like this. So overall, Balaji is a total beginner to these kind of knobby tires, and he's just used the Himalayan. He had an Avenger before this, which was a low motorcycle, since sits low to the ground. With the Himalayan, he's kind of challenged himself. He's gotten himself a very heavy motorcycle, and he's been doing really good. He's maintaining the bike really well. He's also in good health. He's done multiple trips. How many trips so far? Or 6 to 7 trips, long trips, each one about 300 to 500 kilometers, and he's had a nice gala time with the bike. I'm really happy that it's been maintained so well. Now this tire is definitely going to be encouraging Balaji to do a lot more of off-road riding, is because it offers fantastic traction. There's nothing that compares to this tire. I'm kind of sad and upset that I was not able to install this onto my bike, but equally happy for Balaji's, because he's going to be, he's going to start exploring and experimenting on off-road terrain, is because this tire will, I know for a fact, will offer enough confidence for him to explore. And yep, so 2021 with the TIMSUN TS820. Of course, we'll look into some nice front options as well very soon once the Seat tires wear out. But for now, this is what it is. Tire that will definitely take care of performance, and will also offer peace of mind, because this is very hard compound knobby tire. Chances of this getting punctured is very low compared to the Seat. The Seat is a bloody puncture magnet. And yeah, so that's about it. We'll see you guys on another one. Until then, this is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.